Good afternoon and welcome to today's Trade of the Day. My name is Paul Scott, one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Systems. Well, it's been a fairly quiet day on the markets out there today, not too much happening. We're obviously gearing up for NFP at the end of the week. Tomorrow we have the ECB press conference, Mr. Draghi with his words of wisdom. So what have we seen today? Well, as we've stated on today's trading floor, resilience, patience, strength with trading. Sometimes just to sort of sit there and sit on your hands is sometimes the best position to have. But what have we achieved today so far? Well, we had a couple of important zones that have triggered so far today. We've had one here on the dollar Swiss. Now we said the important trading zone from the sell side was at 96.50 today, so we've given that trade out. Now let's just take a quick look at that and see what transpired. So this morning, around about 8:30, up there at 96.50. Price topped out there around about 96.53. 20 pip stop, 20 pip take profit target. Market reversed straight away. So congratulations to all of you out there that took that trade. We have had another trade trigger, which is the euro. So let's just take a very quick look at that. On the website, we wanted to be buying there at 112.35. 112.35 showing as a fairly decent area of support. And the trade was triggered in earlier. We are still sort of hovering around there. It looks like to be a little bit of consolidation, so hopefully we shall see that trade rise up and we should take our 20 pips from there. On the news front today, well, what did we have? Let's just take a look there on Thursday. Well, this morning we had pound construction PMI not coming in too wildly different, so not having too much of an effect on the pound, although the pound is still in its downward spiral at the moment. What else did we have? We had the ADP non-farm payroll. That really didn't come out with too much of an impact on the markets, really. So it's already sort of gearing up for tomorrow, as I say, with the ECB press conference and then NFP on Friday. Just to watch out on Friday, we also have FOMC member Laker, or Laka, however you want to pronounce that, speaking 10 minutes prior to NFP. So Friday afternoon, sort of really gearing up to be one of those where we're sort of sitting on the sidelines. But a pretty quiet day in the markets overall, not too much happening. Euro having a very small range, like we've already touched upon here. Pound still under a little bit of pressure, but again seems to be sort of consolidating around this area here and sort of made a little bit of a push on this afternoon. Dollar yen, well, dollar yen again pretty quiet so far today. Only had around about sort of an 80 pip range in the yen. Seems to be sort of still stuck in its little range. They've had the Swiss, like we mentioned. We've already taken our 20 pips from there, so that one's very, very nice indeed. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD again seems to be stuck in the range of 31.50 to 33.50 for the time being. Just has sort of reached up there today at 133.20 and sort of retreated a little bit again. Obviously very dependent upon the price of oil. Australian dollar versus the US dollar here again still in a little bit of a decline. Does seem to have found a little bit of support there just under sort of the 7,000 level, so we shall see if that holds. And we're going on to the Kiwi dollar now. Kiwi dollar around about the 63.40 area at the moment. Seems to have found support around about 6,300. Probably look for that one to consolidate a little bit further, but we will have further clues after the announcements for NFP. So that's been today's trade of the day. I hope you've enjoyed that very much. Don't forget, of course, if you're not already a member or a client of ours, a member of Platinum Trading Systems, do come across to www.platinumtradingsystems.com. Please click on the consultation page, leave your name, email and a contact number, and one of our representatives will be in touch with you very shortly. So that was today's trade of the day, and we'll catch you tomorrow.